What up, YouTube? Flavio. Welcome back to Elbow Grease. Just gonna measure up some things here. Thinking about getting some stickers, some decals on the Miata. Gonna go out, pick them up at the local flea market. Just doing some measurements, and I'm gonna take you through it. If you ever wanna put some stickers on yours, you know how to measure out what you need. So let's get to it. So what I'm thinking about doing right now is I wanna put a couple decals on this little side window. I'm gonna put my Instagram/YouTube handle coming down this way. And I'm gonna see if I can get the Elbow Grease logo somewhere in and along there. I'm gonna see how that goes, see if they can give me a hand. And I also like to get the banner across the front here, Elbow Grease. And let's take some measurements. So what you need to do something like this is fairly simple. Good old trusty Fat Max measuring tape. Measure up exactly what you need. Use your phone or a pen, paper, whatever you got laying around to write down your measurements. I've already done this, but I'm just gonna take you through the steps to show you exactly what you need to be doing. The side window, I'm thinking of putting my handle for Instagram and YouTube along this window, like I said earlier. I'm gonna go about 1 inch wide. I'm gonna go with 14 inches going downwards. Should work out fairly perfect. The front window is gonna be a little bit more tricky, seeing how the glass is a little tapered on both ends. Stick your measuring tape up that way. Getting about 43 inches, and then the window's gonna taper off to about 45 inches. So I'm gonna tell the gentleman to print me out a sticker, obviously at 45, 46 inches, and keep the lettering within 42 inches, somewhere in and along there. Not exactly sure, but we'll see. As for the back window, I'm gonna try to get a sticker made up for my friend Paul Fordor. He also has a YouTube channel. You guys check him out. All kinds of crazy content on Honda Civics, ELs. Just did a nice review on a EF Civic, one of his friend's cars. Immaculate Civic, one of the best built EF Civics I've seen in a while. Let me take you through the back window here. So what I'm thinking about doing here, getting a Just Send It sticker made up for the back, right along there. So I will come into contact with Paul and see if he can do that for me. So Paul, check your DMs. I'm gonna be slipping in them. I'll leave a link in the description below for Paul Fordor. You guys should subscribe to his channel. Some great content. So what are we waiting for? Let's get the show on the road. Finally arrived here at the 400 flea market. You know what that means. Time to mask up, get inside. The stickers are done. Well, with that being said, there's only one thing left to do. Let's get home, slap these stickers on that Miata. Alright guys, we're finally home. Let me show you what these stickers look like. Comments below what you think of these stickers. I just want to say thank you very much to the Sticker King out at the 400 Flea Market, Charlie, fantastic job. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. If you guys need stickers and you're in the area, go check out Charlie, Sticker King, 400 Flea Market. Does great work. So basically what we're doing now is just cutting these, separating them into individual sections. Need something with a straight edge and a knife. Just like I was talking about earlier, I'm going to put the sticker along here, somewhere in and along there. So what you want to do before applying any kind of stickers or decals, you want to just give it a squirt of any kind of cleaner, preferably Windex. Give her a wipe down, get it nice and clean. And then you want to line up your sticker where you want it to be. It's definitely be easier with two hands. So somewhere there. You just peel it back, make sure it's nice and straight before you actually apply it onto the window. And I'll show you what that looks like. Put some pressure on it. Any kind of air bubbles out. My thing, good idea to go through it with a credit card if you don't have a proper squeegee for this. I'm going to be using my Tim Hortons points card.
So in, say it again, so in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead, Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight.
As you pull back, what you want to do is try to pull back on an angle, not straight up, just in case one of the letters decide they don't want to stick. You catch it. When you go nice and slowly like this, you can see exactly what's going on. And if one of the letters start to lift, as you're doing it, you could always pull it back. So far, so good. Oh yeah. Again, same thing for this guy. See you later. I just want to throw this on here. Make sure it's level. Same concept. Apply some pressure with your fingers. Take out any kind of air bubbles. And then grab that old Tim Hortons rewards card. Apply some pressure. And same thing. So now I got this side done. I'm going to jump over to the other side and do exactly the same thing that I just did on this side. And I'll show you guys what it looks like. Don't forget to put your Tim Hortons reward card back in your wallet so you can collect points and get free coffees. Don't lose it. That's the most important part of this whole install. Do not lose your Tim Hortons rewards card. install's done. Decals are on the windows here. I love it. Let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful in any sort of way, give me a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it. And until next time. Peace. Has anybody seen Ethan?